So I want to get the same denominator so they can be compared. A good way of getting a denominator, if you're not sure how, is just multiply these two numbers together, 7 times 6, and that will definitely be a multiple of both. So 42. So if I put them both over 42, I'm now going to convert them into an equivalent fraction with 42 as the denominator. How do I do that? Well, I've multiplied this by 6 to get to 42. So I must multiply the numerator by 6 as well, so the fraction stays the same. So I have 36 out of 42. And this one, if I multiply by 7 to get to 42, I must multiply the top by 7. So now they can be compared. I can clearly see which one is bigger. This one is bigger. So some people use the greater than sign to show it's bigger, or just a circle is okay. This one, so we use the multiplication 7 times 6, but there is, if I use 4 times 10, I could use that for this one, 40, but there's a smaller denominator, lowest common denominator. What's lower, Harry? 20, yeah, 20 works for both.
Can we use 40 then?
You can use 40, yeah, to compare, no problem. It's usually better to use the smallest one. Get used to that, because in fractions, in adding, subtracting, you'll have to simplify afterwards otherwise. So this is multiplied by 5 to get to 20. So the numerator is multiplied by 5 and 15. These two fractions are equivalent. They are the same. 3/4 and 15 over 20. This one just multiplied by 2. So 20, 10 times 2 is 20, and we have 14. So which is the bigger one? The one on the left again is the bigger one. So 3/4 is bigger than 7/10, and 6/7 is bigger than 5/6. Okay.